Hey guys, welcome to my channel Play with Sum and I'm Sum. So guys, you are seeing only that what I'm gonna play today. Yeah, I'm gonna play today the most trending game now, that is Akinator. I've heard about this Akinator that he guesses everything what we think, and I guess that you all already know that what is Akinator. There are four themes: animals, movies, and fictional characters or real characters and objects. We have to choose a theme and think about that theme, and Akinator will ask us some questions. By asking those questions, he will guess the thing which we are thinking of, guess the character, object, or movie, or everything we are thinking of. This is quite interesting. How can means genie guess a thing we are thinking of? It's quite interesting. So I thought everyone is playing in YouTube, means gamers. So let me also play this Akinator game. So let's go and play. So my first theme is character. Okay. I heard that he guesses everything very easily. So we have to think of a tough character, which is okay. Let me think of Mr. Bean. Yeah, Mr. Bean is a cartoon character, and I guess all of you saw this cartoon, very famous cartoon. So without wasting, let's ask means answer the questions Akinator asking us. Is your character Indian? No. Is your character a female? No. No. Does your character really exist? No. Does your character have human skin? Yes. Is your character from anime, Japanese animation? No. From a cartoon character? He's thinking question. Has your character ever been in a movie? No. Is your character originally from a video game? No. From not from a video game, from a cartoon character. Is it from a TV series? Yes. Is your character animated? Yes. Obviously. Is your character an adult? Yes. Mr. Bean is an adult. Does your character live in America? I don't know where Mr. Bean lives. Does your character often wear a hat? No. Does your character fight evil? No. Not evil. He's good. Does your character have children? No. Is your character black haired? Yes. Does your character wear a tie? Yes. Is your character from Mr. Bean? What is this? Okay. No more questions. He understood it. He guessed it right. He already guessed it. That is Mr. Bean. You see? Yeah, I told you. He guessed it right. Very big applause to Akinator to guess that I thought of Mr. Bean. And okay, let's go to our next theme, which is means I want to means choose our themes not randomly, next to next. So let's choose objects. Okay, in objects I have to choose. Okay, what to choose? Yeah, I'm gonna choose, guys. I'm gonna choose a laptop. Yeah, I'm thinking of laptop, and let's answer the questions Akinator asks us. It is a electronic. Yes, it's a electronic. Yes. Do we use it to play video games? Means I cannot tell that we use a laptop to play video games. Probably means sometimes, or yeah, probably. Is it a phone? No, it's not a phone. Does it have a screen? Yes. Does it have a keyboard? Yes. Does it have a relationship with Game Risk? What is Game Risk? I don't know. Does it have a relationship with Doctor Who? Who is Doctor Who? Does it have a relationship with the South Korean music band? Don't know. What is this? I think of a laptop. What is this, man? He is guessing everything right. I'm thinking of what is this? Yeah. This proves Akinator is a very talented genie who is more talented than all of us. Yeah. So let's go to our next theme, and our next theme is a movie or TV show. And I'm gonna think of a TV show or movie. I don't know, but I'm gonna think of Frozen. Yeah, I'm gonna think of Frozen. Does your character TV show? Yes. No. Does your character with superpowers? Yes. Frozen have superpowers. Are there Avengers? No. Is the main character a girl? Yes. Frozen is a girl. Of course. Is there a princess in your movie? Yes. Frozen is a princess. Does Simon Harris? No, I don't know who is it. Is there a snowman in the movie? Yes, there is a snowman in the movie. Does Jason Batman? I think they are taking the name of the characters, means real name of characters of Frozen. I think of Frozen. What to do, guys? Very talented genie is asking us questions, and he's guessing all of them right. So let's go to our next theme and finish this game. Already lost. I'm already lost. Akinator won. And about an animal. Okay. I am guessing, means thinking about an animal. Okay. Let's think about. Akinator is guessing all of the animals right. So what to think about? Let's think about okay, a polar bear. I'm thinking about a polar bear. Okay, is your animal a pet? No. How can a man keep a polar bear as a pet? Does your animal have sharp teeth? Yes. Yes, animal have sharp teeth. Does your character roar? I don't know polar bear roars or not. Does your animal have paws? Yes. Does your animal got stripes? No. Have your animal got spots? No. Polar bear neither got spots, neither has stripes. Does the animal live in Africa? No. Does the animal still exist? Yes, polar bear exists, man. Yeah, polar bear still exists. Yes. Does your animal live in the snow? Yes. Okay. He understood, guys. Already understood. He guessed it right. Means he guessed it already. That is the polar bear. You just watch and wait. Wait and watch. What I am telling. Just wait and watch. He guessed it. He guessed it, guys. So I think of a polar bear. Yes, Akinator Master, you are absolutely correct. It's a polar bear, and I am lost. Yes, you won. So guys, if you like this first video of our Akinator series, please give this video a very big thumbs up and share this video with everyone, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from my channel. And please recommend me as many games you want, means you want those games to be played by me. Please recommend me in the comments, and please also tell in the comments that do you want more Akinator series. I will surely play. And this was for today's video. If you liked it, you know what to do. And bye bye. Love Melila from Zoom. Bye bye.